Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you once again. I'm making more bread. Today, I am going to take the advice that I received from the guy who wrote the book on Asian noodles, and I am going to attempt doing noodles or bread made from just instant noodles. I'm going to grind up the instant noodles, make flour out of it, and I'm going to use a couple eggs as an emulsifier. That's going to allow the oil to get out of the noodle. So today we're going to go with number 6 on my top 10. This is Red Chef Green Tom Yum. Really like this one. It'll be interesting to see what happens. Hopefully it's going to work this time. The last time I tried doing this, failed miserably. Basically there was a skin and a bunch of porridge on the inside. So let's give it a go. Ready, set,
go!
Well, this is it. Is it gonna work? I don't know, but let's see if it'll come out of the pan decently. Goddess of bread, patron saint of bread, please grant me a firm and stable loaf. Well, as the guy who told me about emulsifiers said, it would not rise very much. And it definitely hasn't. This thing weighs, this is heavy and dense. Let's slice it. Oh my. Okay, so like I said, this is egg, instant noodles, and put them in a blender, water, yeast, and some of the seasoning. It resembles bread. I really didn't think this was going to be possible. Here's the moment of truth. Look at that, it's kind of rubbery. Let's give it a try. It's bread. Look, it's bread. Not only that, it tastes like a Red Chef Green Tom Yum noodle. This is weird. Wow, that's so weird. It's very, as you can see, it's almost tofu-like. This is a trip. It's not horrible. With flour made by grinding up instant noodles. This is a game changer. And I asked the guy who wrote the book on instant noodles, I'm not kidding, and here's the book. And there he is. But I had the question, I knew if anybody would know the possibility, because I met this guy at the Wheat Marketing Center in Portland, Oregon, quite a few years ago. And that place is all about wheat. So flour, pasta, noodle, you name it. It was a special course. And I got to sit in on a little bit of it. And it was one of the coolest things ever. I met some really neat people. It's like alchemy. I've transmuted noodle into bread. Thank you to Dr. Ho. Thank you to everybody watching. Now I'm gonna make some really interesting bread made just directly from instant noodles. What do I do with this stuff? I don't know, man. I'm just gonna take some pictures of it for now and just kind of revel in the fact that the challenge has been met and it can be done. Yeah! All right, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Bye.